Hey everyone, welcome back to Harbor of Tech. Today I'm showing you MiniTool Video Converter, a practical tool that handles several video tasks in one place. You can download it from the link in the description, and the installation process is simple, with no hidden extras or complicated setup. There is a fully functional free plan you can start using right away. If you like what it offers and want to handle larger projects or unlock extra features, there are premium plans available at a reasonable price that scale with your needs. This software gives you three important features that solve common problems. The first is video conversion. It supports a huge range of formats, including MP4, MKV, AVI, MOV, and many others. You can take raw footage from cameras, screen captures, or downloaded clips and quickly convert them into a format that works perfectly with your editor, player, or sharing platform. The second feature is video compression. Large 4K recordings or long presentations often take up too much space or upload slowly. With MiniTool, you can reduce file size while keeping the video clear and usable, which saves storage and time. The third feature is screen recording. You can capture your desktop, record software demos, gameplay, lessons, or meetings directly from the interface. Once recorded, you can immediately convert or compress those files without moving to another tool. MiniTool Video Converter brings these functions together in a clean interface that's fast to learn and reliable in daily use. Download it through the description and see how it can simplify your workflow. Let's take a sample file and walk through the process step by step. On my desktop, I have a 1 GB MP4 clip recorded earlier. I grab that file and drag it straight into the MiniTool Video Converter window. The file appears instantly in the list with its name, size, and duration clearly displayed, so you can double-check before making changes. On the right side, there's a Format drop-down menu with a large variety of choices. You can select MP4, MKV, AVI, MOV, or many other formats, depending on what you need for playback, editing, or sharing. For this demonstration, I'll convert the MP4 into MKV. Before starting, I scroll down and set a specific output folder so I know where the finished file will be saved. After that, I press the Convert button and watch as the progress bar moves steadily. The software uses hardware acceleration on most systems, which makes the conversion fast and efficient. On my setup, this 1 GB file completes in under 2 minutes with no visible quality loss. When it's done, I open the new MKV file in my media player and it runs smoothly. If you regularly handle videos from different cameras or editors and run into format errors, this simple process solves those issues without needing extra tools or extra steps. Now let's move on to compression, another key feature inside MiniTool Video Converter. After you load a video into the interface, you can open the settings panel and choose exactly how much you want to reduce the size. The tool provides simple percentage options such as 30%, 40%, or 50%. So you can quickly pick a balance between file size and visual quality without guessing. You can preview the settings before you commit, which helps when you're dealing with high-resolution recordings. For this test, I used a 10-minute 4K video that originally measured about 1 GB. I selected the 50% compression option and set the output folder to a new location so I could compare files easily later. After clicking Start, the conversion engine began working right away and used my hardware resources efficiently. The entire process finished in under 5 minutes on my system, and the output file size dropped neatly to about 500 MB. I then played the original 1 GB version and the 500 MB compressed version side by side on the same screen. I looked closely at fast motion, detailed textures, and color gradients. The results were almost identical. Sharp edges stayed crisp, color tones stayed stable, and playback stayed smooth with no stutter, tearing, or compression artifacts. This level of control means you can store far more videos on the same drive, send files faster over the network, and still present a professional quality result. It's a practical way to handle large clips without wasting time or losing visual fidelity. The last feature worth highlighting is screen recording. MiniTool Video Converter lets you record your entire screen or choose a specific region if you only want part of it captured. The built-in recorder encodes video efficiently, so even long sessions don't create massive files. Yet the picture stays sharp and playback remains smooth. You can record tutorials, software demos, meetings, or gameplay without installing extra tools. Once recorded, the file is ready to convert or compress within the same program, keeping everything in one workflow. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, make sure to like and share the video. This is Harbor of Tech signing off.